next one. Shadow the Hedgehog's a bitch-ass motherfucker. He pissed on my fucking wife. That's right, he took his hedgehog fucking Quilly dick out and he pissed on my fucking wife. And he said his dick was this big. And I said, that's disgusting. So I'm making a column post on my twitter.com. Shadow the Hedgehog, you got a small dick. It's like the size of this walnut except way smaller. And guess what? Here's what my dog looks like. That's right, baby. Tall points, no quills, no pillows. Just look at it, it's like 2 balls and a bomb. He fucked my wife. So guess what? I'm gonna fuck the earth. That's right, this is what you get, my super laser piss. Except I'm not gonna piss on the earth. I'm gonna go higher. I'm pissing on the moon. How do you like that, Obama? I fucking pissed on the moon, you idiot! You have 23 hours before the piss droplets hit the fucking earth. So get out of my fucking sight before I piss on you too.